everyone.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Unicorn Diary.
ආයුබෝවන් දුවේ පුතේ අදත් අපි ඔයගලගේ ගෙදරට ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා අලුත් පාඩමක් අරගෙන නේද දාරා?
Yes.
Okay, then we are going to do a nice handwork today. Who is going to do the handwork?
Princess Marida.
Yes, Princess Marida. So let's welcome Princess Marida. Odara, did you see Princess Marida?
Yes.
She's really pretty. Okay, then do you know why did she come here?
To make flowers.
Yes, we are going to make roses. As you can see, we are going to make roses by using these things. We will show you what are the things we need to make roses. ඉතින් අපි අද ඔයගලන්ට කියලා දෙන්න හදන්නේ කඩදාසි සහ සව ද්‍රව්‍ය එකතු කරගෙන කොහොමද ලස්සන රෝස මලක් හදන්නේ කියලා. Then I'm not going to make the roses today. Princess Marida is here to teach you how to make roses. Shall we go?
Okay.
Okay, let's start. First, I will introduce her. This is Princess Marida and she will start the handwork now. Princess Marida, what are the things that we need? Can you show us? Okay, a color
paper.
And then
Circle.
circle shape and a pair of scissors,
Cotton bud.
a cotton bud, a stem,
Stem.
and
Blue
a
bottle.
blue bottle. Right. Then let's start the handwork. The first step is, yes, we have to bend the paper like this. ඔය විදියට ඔයාලා paper එක නමා ගන්න ඕන. You can use any color. This time we took red. Odara, what are the colors that you see when you went to a garden? What color roses you saw?
Pink
Pink. Okay.
and red.
Red.
Only these two.
Only these two. Okay. Yellow roses, orange roses also there, no? Okay. Then Princess Marida has bent it like this. Now we are going to cut the paper like this. From that corner, we can cut it like this. And now we are going to cut the petals. Odara, shall I ask a question from you?
Okay.
How many petals that the rose have?
It's
I think thousands petals, no? Yeah. Right. We can cut the petals like this.
1,000 like that.
Yeah, like that. Okay. Then we are going to apply some glue on petals. We can use a cotton bud to apply the glue on petals. Okay, then what are we doing next, Odara?
Mhm.
After applying glue, we can paste the petals on the stem like this.
Teacher.
Yes.
What about the circle?
Circle. I also don't know why did she cut a circle. We'll see.
Okay.
Right, we can roll the first petal and we'll keep it to dry. And we are going to separate the petals. We can roll it by using the scissor. Odara, I also like to help. Do you like to help? Okay. Let's roll the petals. I think it'll add a natural look to the petals. අපිට ඔය විදියට ඒ රෝස මල් පෙත්ත එහෙම රෝල් කරගත්තාම ඇත්තම රෝස මලක් වගේ පේනවා නේද දොදාරා?
Oh.
Yes, all the petals we have to roll like this. we use one A4, one colored A4 to make this rose flower.
Teacher,
Yes.
can I do the like Princess Marida? This.
Yeah. You also can help her. We'll help her in the next time
Okay.
when she makes another rose.
When I'm coming to your class, can I bring that rose?
Okay.
I
You
will
make it at home.
Okay. With my mother.
Sure. Right now we are going to cut from the middle of the petal like this. Straight away cut. අපි හදාගත්ත රෝසමල් පෙත්තේ මැදින් මෙන්න මේ විදියට කෙලින් කපා ගන්නවා. Princess Marida is very talented to make handworks like this.
Yes.
Okay, now we have finished cutting. Odara, what is she going to do next?
Add some glue.
Yeah, she's going to apply glue. Right. Then we can paste the petals like this. Oh, it adds a real look to the petals. You can paste all the petals like this. Wow, very nice. ඉතින් අපි අර කපාගත්ත තැනින් මෙන්න මේ විදියට ගම් ස්වල්පයක් ගාලා මේ විදියට අපිට අලව ගන්න පුළුවන් petals ටික. අපිට ඒ රෝසමල් පෙති ඇත්තම රෝසමලගේ පෙති වගේ අපිට පේනවා නේද Odara?
Teacher,
Yes.
what about the not touching that thing that like the cactus that
Yeah.
pointing? Why is leaves not here in the stem?
Stem, yeah. We will ask from Princess Marida, why didn't she add those thorns to the stem? Sometimes she may add some thorns also. Okay, now step by step we are pasting the petals. ඉතින් අපි අර හදාගෙන ඉවර කරපු රෝසමල් පෙති ටික මේ විදියට රෝසමලේ ස්ටෙම් එක වටේ අලව ගන්නවා. She's so wonderful. එයා හරිම අපූර්වට රෝසමල් පෙති ටික අලව ගන්නවා. Odara, what do you think? Do you like?
Yes. It's like a loving rose.
Yeah, it's like a loving rose. You can make one and give to your teacher on Teacher's Day.
Yeah, I can. I can give to Princess Maria and you.
Yeah. We'll paste all the petals like this.
It's beautiful.
Yes, very beautiful. ඉතින් මෙන්න මේ විදියට අපිට මේ රෝසමල් පෙති හැම එකකම ගම් ගාලා අලව ගන්න පුළුවන්. හරිම පරිස්සමට තමයි ප්‍රින්සස් මරීඩා මේ වැඩේ කරන්නේ.
It's just like a real flower.
Yes. It looks like a real rose.
Yes. It's beautiful and nice and little pretty.
Yes. I also thought to make one for my mother's birthday.
Me too. And also my grandfather's birthday is coming, so I had to make one.
Yeah. How many flowers you are going to make?
Like 3
3 flowers.
or 4. To my grandma, grandfather, mother, father,
Okay.
and 1 to Sonila.
What about teacher?
Yes, 5.
දැන් හරිම ලස්සන රෝස මලක් පේන්න තියෙනවා Princess Maridaගේ අතේ. It's nice. With all the petals.
It's just like a pretty flower.
Yes. Okay, now we have finished pasting the petals. Now we are going to finish the handwork like this. We can take that circle shape and bend it, and we can make a small hole in the middle of the circle. I think you got the answer for the question which you have asked from me. We are going to paste the circle from the middle of the rose. Right. Now slowly we can paste that circle.
Teacher,
Yes.
are you thinking what I'm thinking?
What are you thinking?
Princess Marida's flower is very beautiful.
Yes. Okay, I think now she has finished making the rose flower. Yay, she gifted it to you. ඉතින් ඔයාලා දැන් මේ අද ඉගෙන ගත්තේ කොහොමද papers වලින් ලස්සන රෝස මලක් හදන්නේ කියලා. She taught us how to make a beautiful rose flower like this. Then shall you remind what are the things we need to make a rose flower? Odara, what do we need to make a rose flower?
First we need color paper,
Yes, we need color papers.
then a circle
Yes, circle shape.
and a stem
Yes, a stem.
and a scissor,
Yes, a pair of scissors.
then a cotton bud
Yes, a cotton bud.
and also a glue bottle.
Yes, a bottle of glue. ඉතින් ඔයාලටත් මේ වගේ පුළුවන් ලස්සන රෝස මලක් ගෙදරදී හදන්න. දැන් මමත් දුවලා ගිහිල්ලා රෝස මලක් හදන්න තමයි හදන්නේ. Then for the day, we are going to end our lesson. So Princess Marida, thank you so much for joining us. Then see you on next day. Okay. Then let's say goodbye to our friends.
Goodbye.